Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'll be giving you a 1-minute tutorial on how to get the target top off. Me and Lila. You're in the video now. I'm paying you.
This car looks dirty.
Your feet look dirty.
Yep, they smell as bad. Really bad than you.
Other than getting roasted by a little kid, let's start the tutorial off. Let's get this target top off. Start right here. You don't want to just pull, it won't do nothing. You want to just push right here. Second step, open the trunk. It's usually first step, to be honest. Just lift up the front a little, slide it up a little. You're gonna go and put the back end to the bottom. That sounded expensive. Luckily we got a wrap. Line it up on those metal parts. As soon as it's in there. It sounds like you're about to break it, but you gotta just go for it. And there we go, Lila, we did it. Okay, now time to get it off. Now it's
in the comments is he suck at this video because I don't think he does any good. Because I do much better than him.
go do your homework.
You go do your own homework, you loser.
Okay, to get this back on now, same process. You gotta break it off now. You broke it on, now you gotta break it off. And you gotta not be a Lila.
Yeah, just be quiet. You have a baby in your stomach.
Now I'm gonna put it on wrong so I could show you guys real quick how to actually do it. When you're lining it up, you see these little knobs sticking out on both sides. You want to just line them up with that hole right there. You start with the back. You'll know because it slides in pretty good. Oops. There we go. See? Struggle almost every time.
Remember, do not do it alone if you're a kid, or if you're younger than a kid. Still don't do it alone. Do it with your parents because it's very dangerous.
Safety message from Lila. To finalize it, and there we go. You got your top on officially.